Previous videos I had shared sample paper of BS nursing program, English and chemistry MCQs. In this video I am going to share a physics MCQs. Here we go. Question number 15. A boy walks 2 meters north, 4 meters west and 2 meters south. His final displacement is A. 4 meter east, B. 4 meters west, C. 2 meters north, D. 2 meters south, E. 5 meters northwest. And the correct answer is B. 4 meters west. Question number 16. The term Brownian movement refers to A. Irregular motions of small particles suspended in a fluid, B. Convection currents in a liquid or gas, C. Convection currents in a gas but not in a liquid, D. The stretching of a body beyond its elastic limit, E. The sinking of mercury in a capillary tubes. And the correct option is A. The term Brownian movement refers to irregular motions of small particles suspended in a fluid. Question number 17. The temperature of 450 Kelvin is equivalent to a Celsius temperature of A. 273 degrees, B. 10 degrees, A and C options are same, D. 450 degrees, E. 177 degrees. And the correct option is E. 177 degrees. A temperature of 450 Kelvin is equivalent to a Celsius temperature of 177 degrees. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. I have already uploaded different MCQs in chemistry and physics that will be helpful for this preparation.